Peace Vans, a Seattle-based shop known for its expertise in Volkswagen bus repair and restoration, is offering 3 camper conversion kits for the 2025 Volkswagen ID.Buzz. These kits cater to different types of adventurers, from day trippers to long haulers. The entry-level option, the Buzz.Box, features a compact kitchen setup starting at $7,995. The Buzz.Box.Sleeper adds a nearly queen-size bed to the mix for $10,995. The top-tier Buzz.Camper offers an upgraded layout with a mini kitchen and a convertible lounge, focusing on comfort for extended trips. Peace Vans will install these conversions or sell pre-converted ID.Buzz vehicles, with deliveries expected in November 2024. Looking ahead, Peace Vans is developing a pop-up camper model expected to launch in late 2025, awaiting U.S. Department of Transportation approval. The company is blending modern electric technology with the classic VW bus spirit,